Here I have Nokia XR20, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume panel style on this device. So as you can see right now I have like the default volume panel here, but you can actually customize this panel by downloading this app Volume Styles from the Play Store. Then you have to open it, tap Start, grant accessibility services permissions, and now you can pick one of these proposed volume styles. You have like this default Android one, Android 12, iOS one. So as you can see right now I have like my volume style like on iPhone devices. So like that. You have different styles. You have other different styles. You can create your own styles. You can customize these styles that you already have. Like a lot of different features, but my personal favorite one is this emoji one. This one is really based for real. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.